Hello everyone, hope you're well. So this is an unboxing video slash tool review video. So I've just been out to get myself finally a laser level. Been wanting one for a while. They didn't have the one I wanted in stock, so I went with this one instead. So yeah, it's from B&Q, about 28 quid I think. I hope this thing comes with a case, because if it doesn't then that's going to be a problem. So you get the instruction manual there, and then you've got the laser level here, which I don't know if it needs batteries or not. Don't know whether the laser would come out there. I don't know how to turn this on. It may need batteries, I do not know. Yes, it does need batteries, I think. Yes, it will need batteries up there. Yeah, so you've got that bit of the level there, and you've got the things there. I think that's to turn it. I don't know, but yeah, so that's whatever this tool company's called. That's their little version of the laser level. Again, I wish this thing came with a carry case, to be honest, because it's going to really be sat in the back of the van, really, without a carry case. So yeah, so we'll do the instruction manual as well, won't we? There's the instruction manual. It's not. Yeah, so that's basically. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll post something on my Insta, I guess, of when this thing is working. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ta-ra, bye.